Do you need total blackout when you sleep? Maybe even a little tiny sliver of light will disturb you? I'm Gina with WTI, and I've been using this contoured sleep mask from Peace and Quiet. In the past, I've had issues wearing sleep masks because they slide off my face or they're uncomfortable because I'm a side sleeper. This is memory foam, and because it's 3D, my eyelashes don't hit the front of it. And that's so nice because I always found that so irritating about other masks. So, just as a tip for wearing this, you're going to want to make sure that the band around the backside of your head does not come below your ears. Otherwise, when you lay on your side, that can cause the mask to kind of bunch up a little bit. Just make sure that it's tight, but not over tight around the direct backside of your head, or maybe even a little up. And then you'll find that that fits really well and you'll get that complete blackout. I got the black one and I got the gray one from my husband because he also loves to take naps during the day. And so that helps him to be able to get a better nap. I absolutely have to take this when we leave for vacation. And so this comes with a nice pouch to put it in to make sure it doesn't get dirty. P&Q also sends you a pair of wax earplugs, so are you really just set for that perfect night's sleep? I think you're going to love this mask as much as I do. You won't want to sleep without it, and that's my point of view.